Nandri Vanakkam.
थैंक यू वी प्रतीक्षा। आज़ादी के बाद भारत को एक सूत्र में बांधकर अखंड और एकजुट राष्ट्र की नींव रखने वाले लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल पर अपनी श्रद्धांजलि देने आ रहे हैं अपने विचारों के साथ दिल्ली के श्रेया रथ जी।
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel once said, "Every Indian should forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh, or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties." Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Shreya Rath and I'm a student of class 12th from Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. And today I'm here standing before all of you to express my views on a great man whom we all know as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a successful barrister, a leader, and one of the many individuals who played a great role in the freedom movement of India. The first Deputy Prime Minister of India, he was a man who was firmly committed to the unity and integrity of India and of its people. He played an exemplary role in the integration of the 565 princely states to the Union of India. And for this feat, he is respectfully regarded as the Iron Man of India. He made his presence felt when he organized relief efforts in the wake of plague and famine which had occurred in Kheda, Gujarat, and after much personal contemplation, also left his ambition of being a lawyer just so that he could devote himself completely to the freedom movement. Apart from participating actively in all the activities that used to take place, he also made a point to focus and work extensively against some major issues like untouchability and women empowerment. In the remembrance of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the government built the Statue of Unity, which was inaugurated on 31st of October 2018. At 182 meters, it's the tallest standing statue in the world, and it remains as an inspiration to all of us. People of India will forever remain indebted to him for all his contributions to the society and for his wisdom, vision, and statesmanship. Thank you. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू श्रेया रथ। अगली